everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I'm doing a VR to Dave over at Imagine Acre Wood. He called three of us out when he did his little video on his everyday carry for his up there in North Idaho. So he asked me to do it, show all my everyday carry. I think that he was expecting a little bit more than what he's going to get. So, but I'm going to go over the stuff here. But one of the things I do carry all the time, bottle of water. So hit it up. Yeah, when I'm out and about, I grab it here. I carry it on put a carabiner on it, and just kind of hook it on there, and that way I can just hang it from my belt loop. But stuff I carry all the time. So in my pocket, I will pull it out because I always carry it in my pocket. A utility knife has a little safety button here, so it locks partial, or it locks all the way down. Can't pull it open until you push the button. All right. I got several of those. I carry that in my pocket. And what else I could put that in here? And always carry truck key. All right. So what else do I carry? Oh, I also carry. Focus, yeah. So that run anybody, if I've been snacking on something, I can get rid of the bad breath so I don't offend them. Of course, watch when I go out. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it's a Timex. Yep, takes a lick and keeps on ticking. Oh, I know, funny. A pen. If I'm, sometimes around the property, I'll carry my cell phone, not always. Carry a notepad. Always thinking of something to get. The one of the things I carry is my Gerber. Not so much because it has a knife in it, but because it has a pair of pliers in it, and it's got, all the nice little fun tools, screwdrivers, all of the little things, a little saw on it, and the knife not so much, but the other stuff here, I can get it to come out. Opened up here. There we go. Different screwdrivers, bottle openers, whatever. So just a good little tool to have with me. Covered that. Little pocket flashlight. It's nice and bright. Of course, on my live stream, sometimes I modify it, and I use the one from Men in Black, and look right here in the neuralizer. Okay, covered that. Oh, I have although I don't carry this on me, I have them placed all around the property, in the cargo containers, in the garage, in the basement, bunch of these little bad boys. Flashlight there, or big bright flashlight there. So, these things are, cheap. Usually I get them for free because I buy something and get one of these free at Harbor Freight. So I have a bunch of those placed all over the place. So any place that's dark where the power might go out, I might need to see, I got some of those stashed around. Like in the cargo containers, I got those metal racks set up. I got some of those stuck all along the way down there. So we got light there. And something else I have in the cargo containers, in the garage, and downstairs, and up here, I got a bunch of my Craftsman 9.2 bits, and I got boxes of screws because you never can tell when you need to put a screw in somewhere. And so now one thing they were probably expecting, and they're not going to get here, is, well, what gun do you carry? I don't. Shoot, my in my little city here, and it is a city. It's an incorporated city. It's quarter-mile square. There's 4 ways to get in, and you got to go around to get back to where I'm at. I'm in a little hidey hole, and I'm not really worried about anything back here. So I don't, carry, going to town. I don't carry. It's like everybody else is carrying. Why do I need to carry? I did enough of that. The deputy sheriff and federal agent. So no, I don't carry. Because everything's nice and peaceful. Now, if things were to get ugly, yeah, I would start carrying again. But there's no need for me to carry here. Now, if we're out farther, Dave is, or Chad up there in North Idaho, where they are, they got 20, 30 acres, whatever, of land around them, and wild critters coming through all the time. Yeah, then I would carry, but not here. So and I got the grandkids crawling on me all the time, so I don't worry about carrying anything dangerous. My knives, which is the most dangerous thing I have here, is in my pocket, and they can't get it out of my pocket. So that's pretty much all I carry around here. Not very exciting. Ooh, wait a minute, federal guy's not very exciting. Oh, what's going on here? Hey, simple. I'm retired. I've been there, done that. I ain't doing it again unless I absolutely have to. So I'm enjoying my retirement and working here. So that's my everyday carry stuff, guys. Probably the most important thing I do carry, water. And I recommend everybody carry water because, hey, even in the wintertime, you need to stay hydrated. Because you can get dehydrated just easy. In fact, easier in the wintertime than you can in the summertime. Because summertime, your mouth will tell you really quick that you're getting dehydrated. Wintertime, it won't. So that's my everyday carry stuff. Plain, simple guy. And that's what I carry. So I guess now he wants me to call someone else out on this. So let's see, who should I call out? I'm going to call out Scott from Hidden Valley Homestead. And his is going to be maybe kind of boring too, because he's probably not, being in California right now, he's probably not allowed to carry a gun around down there. So I'm going to call Scott out to share what he is in his everyday carry stuff. And okay, I will call Lee at Stringfield Ridge out for what he carries every day. So those are going to be 2 people I'm going to call out, and I will leave their channel links down below, and I will see you in the next video. So in the meantime, stay happy, stay safe,